Hello there. You are not going to believe exactly how much you can get in China for $50 alone. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now, the room is a little bit of a mess right now because, well, I was living in here. I will leave in a couple of hours. But let me just open this window so you can see that beautiful view. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see if I can make this focus. Anyways, you can see you get my point. Like, there's some beautiful scenery here, some like nice old buildings. You got like all this modern stuff here as well. All of these, China style, huge, massive buildings. So essentially, you have like a view of the entire city. You're in like this very central point, and I only ended up paying what, like 50 Canadian dollars, which is equivalent maybe to like around like 35 American dollars, right? 35 USD. For something like this, that's amazing. And like my room speaks, and like I can even like, I'll show you something really cool. I can, for example, curtain off, screen off. That's wild. See this? And now it looks like a fancy booth. That's actually crazy. And all of this, once again, for like $35 approximately, give or take. China has some really good spots for value for your money, and I think this is one of them. Chongqing is one of the cities that is really cool, very unique. I think it's one of those very unique cities that are hard to I guess replicate elsewhere. Really, it is a very unique place, and it's not super expensive. So if you're planning on visiting in China, I would say Chongqing should definitely be on your list. Just so you know, they also have like these fancy toilets and this very neat shower. Like they have like the like the modern Japanese style toilet. I mean, they're not even Japanese anymore. I'm sure this is made in China, but you understand what I'm saying. Anyways, oh, today's mission: find the peppercorn cookies, the best cookies I've had, and I had them in Chongqing. So let's go find them.